How to fix messages failed to load error in Discord for Windows. 1. Check the Discord status page. 2. Check then troubleshoot any internet issues. 3. Out of your Discord account, close the client, restart the Discord app, and log back in. 4. Check for potential channel-specific issues. 5. Ensure you are not temporarily banned from Discord. Make sure your Discord account is active. 6. Enable or disable a VPN. 7. Update Discord. 8. Switch to a different Discord client, say Discord Web, Discord for iOS. 9. Report the problem to Discord support team.